Hey, what's going on? It's Jay here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make $200 per day just by typing. Now, you don't have to be good with this to start, and you want to stick with me all the way to the end because I'm also going to share a cool little hack with you that's going to make you even more money. I'm super excited to share this with you, my friend, so stay tuned. Okay, the awesome thing that I'm about to show you in this video, even if you suck at writing, you still can make money with this company. You still can make $200 per day, and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Now, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video, if you stick with me all the way to the end, I'm also going to show you a hack, guys, that you can turn that $200 to $400 and maybe up to $800 per day. Now, if you enjoy videos like this right here and you want more in the future, hit that subscribe button below and click on that notification bell so you'll be updated every time I upload a video. Now, there will be absolutely zero selling here, guys. I'm going to give you pure value. I'm going to show you how to make money for free. So stick with me all the way to the end. Okay, guys. The name of this company is called TextBroker, and it's going to be right here where it says textbroker.com. I'm going to click on that. Now, TextBroker, guys, is 100% real. There's no BS here. This company right here has been around for years, and what's awesome about it is they work with major companies, and they also work with small companies as well. Now, you want to pay attention because that's where you come in at. That's how you're going to be able to make money, guys. You're going to be writing for these companies. And just to name a few, let me blow up the screen a little bit here. Just to name a few, guys, you got Yoast here. Yoast is basically a company that create software for WordPress. You got Staples. You got eBay here, guys. So you know it's legit, guys. Don't think this is some kind of scam here. If you want to make money, you're going to have to stop thinking everything's a scam. I know it's not everybody, but a small percentage of you out there just don't believe these online programs, but they are real, especially if they are on my channel. I'm not bringing you scams here. Okay, guys. So you see the companies that they work with. That's just a small percentage. There are thousands of companies that work with TextBroker. Now I'm going to show you right here where it says I write content. Click right here where it says why write for TextBroker. So I'm going to show you why you write for TextBroker. Blow up the screen again. One reason is because it's free, guys. Free registration. You don't have to pay any money out of pocket to get started with this company, guys. Like I said, there's no selling. Weekly payoff. You get paid weekly here, guys. Now you got to have a balance of $10 in order for you to withdraw your money out. That doesn't mean you can just make $10. You can make way more than that. You got to have your account at least up to $10 before you can withdraw the money out. Direct access to projects. TextBroker recruits clients you choose from thousands of orders. Helpful feedback. So TextBroker got a team of people that's experienced in this, and they will give you feedback on your articles to make you better, guys. They're going to rate you on a star system. You know, give you 1 star, 2 star, 3 star, up to 5 stars, and let you know how good you is, guys, and help you improve to get better at your writing skills. So you're going to be able to work your way up within this company. Flexible time management. Guys, you can work on your own time. If you have a tight schedule, guys, check this out. Write on your own time as often as you like. So you don't have to worry about, you know, if you got to take your kids to daycare or if you got a job, you can get off from work and work this site whenever you want. Free writing resources. So they have a blog, they have training tutorials and everything to show you how to get better with this, guys. Like I said, you don't need any experience to start with this. Now I'm going to show you how the payments and everything work. So we're going to scroll up here to the top and we're going to go to payments. So guys, you get paid by how many stars you got here, guys. So if you're just starting, I know a lot of you guys not good with writing, but if you are, right out the gate, you can make a bunch of money starting out. But don't get discouraged, because even if you're not good, let's say if you're a 2-star, you'll get paid 0.7 cents per word. And if you're a 3-star, if you're a pretty decent writer, you get paid 1 cent per word. And guys, if you are a 5-star writer, you can get paid up to 5 cents per word. And I'm going to show you what all that means. Now, your goal here is to always get better. Like I said, they provide you with the training. They give you everything, guys. They're going to go in and check out what you're doing to make you better. So if you stick with this, you're going to get good and you're going to make the most amount of money. But like I said, there's a hack I'm going to show you at the end where all this is going to be simplified. So next, guys, let's check out a little bit more about this company here, guys. How TextBroker work. Okay, let me blow up the screen again. So like I said, registration is free. Submit a writing sample. So they're going to check out, where you qualify it, guys. So they're going to rate you straight from the beginning when you submit an article. You're going to either be 2-star, 3-star, 4-star, or 5-star. Third, get your rating. Fourth, complete your author profile. 5, start writing for cash. It's just that simple. 5 steps and you're in business, guys. So now let's check out payments, guys. See how the payments work here. So they got this cool little bar right here, guys, to let you, you can mess around with this little bar just to see how much you can possibly make with this program. So let's just say if you are a 4-star writer, which is pretty decent. And let's say if you write 4,000 words. And I'm going to show, like I said, guys, I'm going to show you how to do this simple. So you may be thinking 4,000 is a lot of words, but I'm going to, like, the hack is going to show you how to do this easy, guys. So if you are a 4-star writer and you write 4,000 words, that's $56. But if you get better and you are a 5-star writer, that's $200, guys. $200. So you can write 4,000 words a day with these major companies and these small companies out here and make $200 a day. But if you do 8,000 words a day, that's $400. And it's going to be easy for you to do with this hack I'm going to show you, guys. And right here, let me show you something real quick. If I can find it. Let's go back to how TextBroker works. So right here, guys, you can see TextBroker pay through PayPal. So like I said before, you need a PayPal account. I'm pretty sure everybody got a PayPal account, but if you don't, you definitely need a PayPal account in order for you to get paid. Okay, now let's get started with the hack that I promised you. I'm going to show you how you can turn that $200 into $400 and maybe even $800 in a single day. And this is how you do it, my friend. Okay, I copied some example articles from my website and I'm just going to paste them in the word counter for you just to show you what 4,000 words look like here. Okay, this is 4,000 words roughly. Actually, 4,005 words. This is what it looked like, guys, here. It looked like a lot, but I'm going to show you how to do that easy, guys, with this hack. So what you can do is you can go over to Google Docs. It's free to use. I'm pretty sure everybody got a Google account. If you don't, just sign up for Google and you'll have access to Google Docs. And what you want to do, you want to log in and you want to click right here, guys, where it says go to Google Docs. Click on that and you click right here where it says blank, because it's going to pull up a blank page. And this is what you can do, guys, to write 4,000 words in about 20 to 30 minutes. This is the hack I'm going to show you how to do. So you can click right here where it says tools and you can go to voice typing. Then you click right here to activate your microphone. And what you're going to do, you're going to voice type, guys. You're going to speak everything that you want on the screen. Mine is not going to do it because I'm on another computer and it's not working on this computer. But I do it all the time, guys. You can come here and just speak whatever you want here, guys, and it will go so fast. If you're not a fast typer or a fast writer or whatever, this right here is going to get the job done for you in a very small amount of time. That's the hack, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe because I give videos, good content out like this all the time. Like I said, there will be no selling in this video, but just leave me a like and a comment below. Let me know that you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to making another one for you. Peace.